Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been on the minds of many of you, especially now that we're hearing more about potential changes to Social Security. If you're receiving Social Security benefits like retirement, disability, SSDI, survivors, spousal, or SSI, or if you're on a low or fixed income, or even a VA beneficiary, these updates could impact you directly. With Donald Trump's recent election win, you're probably wondering how his promises and policy shifts might affect your benefits. With so much on the line, it's natural to feel curious and maybe even a little concerned about what could come next. Right off the bat, something to know is that Trump has repeatedly said he won't cut Social Security benefits. In fact, during his campaign, he pledged he'd not cut one penny from Social Security or Medicare. But here's the catch. His other proposals, like ending taxes on Social Security benefits, could still impact the program's future funding, and that's what's got some people worried. So, let's break down what these potential changes mean, whether or not there could be an increase to benefits, and what you might need to keep in mind as a Social Security beneficiary. Now, let's start with a little context. Trump's win has renewed the spotlight on Social Security's funding. The program is already on track to face a shortfall, potentially leading to benefit reductions by 2035 if no changes are made. So, his promise not to cut benefits sounds reassuring, but experts are concerned that eliminating taxes on benefits, as he's proposed, could speed up that shortfall. To put it simply, if Social Security stops collecting taxes on benefits, the trust fund would receive less income, which could mean funds run out even sooner. Now, you might be thinking, well, wouldn't ending taxes on benefits help me keep more money? And the answer is yes, but mostly for middle and higher income retirees. Under the current tax rules, seniors with combined incomes over $25,000 or $32,000 for couples may have part of their Social Security benefits taxed. Eliminating that tax would mean extra savings, especially for those who earn between $63,000 and $200,000. However, for those on lower incomes, especially under $32,000, there wouldn't be much change because many of them already don't pay taxes on these benefits. So, while this sounds like a win for some, it doesn't necessarily mean everyone will feel the impact the same way. On top of that, there's the question of whether this policy will even pass. Trump may have a Republican majority in Congress, but passing major Social Security changes could still be a challenge. Many lawmakers are cautious when it comes to tampering with Social Security due to its popularity and importance to voters. Even if Congress were to consider ending taxes on benefits, they'd likely need a strong majority to pass it, including some support from Democrats, who might not agree with reducing Social Security's funding further. So, while this change is possible, it's still far from a done deal. And let's talk about immigration, because it actually plays a role here too. Trump's policies also include increasing tariffs and tightening immigration, including deporting undocumented immigrants. You might wonder, how does immigration affect Social Security? Well, undocumented workers in the U.S. contribute billions of dollars in payroll taxes, even though they don't receive benefits. So, if they're deported, Social Security loses out on those contributions, which could worsen its funding. It's an unexpected twist, but it highlights how intertwined these policies are. So then, what does all this mean for your benefits? As of now, Trump's plans don't directly raise or lower your Social Security check. But by potentially speeding up when funds could run out, these proposals might impact future beneficiaries or lead to a scenario where Congress has to act sooner. For now, experts are urging caution. It's too early to assume any policy changes will definitely happen, and even if taxes on Social Security benefits are cut, it's not likely to be an immediate change. Thinking about retirement planning, this is a good reminder to stay informed and not make sudden financial decisions based on promises alone. While it's great to see proposals that could put more money in people's pockets, it's always wise to wait until changes are actually passed into law before making adjustments to your own plans. So, let's wrap it up. There's a lot of talk, a lot of promises, but no concrete changes just yet. Trump's proposals have sparked some interest and raised questions, but as with all things in government, change can take time. If you're a Social Security recipient or soon to be, keep an eye on these developments, but don't let speculation steer your retirement strategy just yet. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe if you want to keep updated. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on Trump's Social Security proposals. Are you hopeful, concerned, or somewhere in between? Let's talk about it, and I'll see you next time.